Best boat hubs comparison. Boat trailer hubs are essential components for ensuring smooth and reliable towing of your boat. They bear the load, provide stability, and protect the axle from wear and tear. Choosing the right hub is crucial for safety, durability, and performance. List number 2 sets trailer hub kits 5 on 4.5 for 3,500 pounds. The Aliexpress 2 sets trailer hub kits offer a well-rounded package for 3,500 pounds trailers with tapered axles. Featuring a 5x4.5 bolt pattern, pre-installed bearing races, and a durable black-coated hub surface, this model is designed for heavy-duty usage. The inclusion of extra dust caps and seals adds value, making it a practical choice for users who prioritize longevity and preparedness. Its sturdy packaging ensures safe delivery, and the satisfaction guarantee provides peace of mind. Performance-wise, the Aliexpress hub kit excels in durability and anti-corrosion capabilities, thanks to its zinc-plated dust caps and high-quality steel construction. The pre-lubricated bearings reduce installation time, while the additional accessories make it an excellent option for emergency repairs. However, users should be cautious about the slightly oversized dust caps, which require careful installation to avoid damage. Overall, this hub kit balances affordability and reliability, making it suitable for frequent trailer users. List 2 sets trailer hub kit 5-bolt 4.5. The Aliexpress hub kit is a versatile and feature-rich option for 3,500 pounds trailers. Made from high-quality carbon steel and adhering to USG 3000 standards, this model offers excellent durability and corrosion resistance. It includes a comprehensive set of accessories, such as spindle nuts, cotter pins, and grease seals, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. The inclusion of extra dust caps and seals further enhances its value proposition. In terms of performance, the Aliexpress hub kit stands out for its precision bearings and low working noise, making it ideal for long-distance towing. The double-lip grease seal design prevents leakage effectively, while the heavy-duty packaging ensures safe delivery. However, its slightly higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. This hub kit is best suited for users who prioritize build quality and a complete installation package. List number 2 sets 2,000 pounds trailer hub kit 5-bolt 4.5 inch. The Siri 2,000 pounds trailer hub kit is specifically designed for straight spindles, making it a niche product for lighter trailers. With a 5x4.5 bolt pattern and compatibility for both 1-inch and 1 1/16 axles, this model offers versatility for smaller trailer setups. Its corrosion-resistant black coating and galvanized dust caps ensure longevity, while the inclusion of hardened lug nuts adds an extra layer of reliability. This hub kit performs well for lighter-duty applications thanks to its high-grade steel bearings and reduced friction design. The packaging is robust, preventing damage during transit. However, its limited compatibility with straight spindles and lower weight capacity make it unsuitable for heavier trailers. This model is ideal for users with smaller boats or utility trailers who need a reliable yet affordable hub kit. List number 2 sets trailer hub kits 5 on 4.5 inches for 3,500 pounds. As the budget option in this comparison, the Aliexpress hub kit offers solid performance at an affordable price. Designed for 3,500 pounds trailers with tapered axles, it features pre-lubricated bearings and a black-coated hub surface for durability. The zinc-plated dust caps provide corrosion resistance, while the comprehensive accessory set ensures a straightforward installation process. Despite its lower price, this hub kit delivers reliable performance for occasional trailer use. The pre-lubricated bearings simplify setup, and the sturdy packaging prevents damage during shipping. However, its compatibility limitations and slightly oversized dust caps may require extra attention during installation. This hub kit is best suited for budget-conscious buyers who need a reliable solution for light to moderate trailer use. List number 2 sets galvanized trailer idler hub kits 5-bolt 4.5. Aliexpress galvanized hub kit is the premium option in this comparison, offering superior corrosion resistance with its hot dip galvanizing process. Designed for 3,500 pounds trailers, it includes pre-installed and pre-lubricated bearings, making installation quick and hassle-free. The double-lip grease-seal design ensures no leakage, while the heavy-duty packaging protects the components during transit. Performance-wise, this hub kit excels in harsh environments, particularly for users who frequently tow in saltwater conditions. Its high-quality carbon steel construction and precision bearings provide reliable and quiet operation. However, its higher price and limited customer reviews may give some buyers pause. This hub kit is ideal for users who prioritize durability and corrosion resistance for marine applications.